Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are good and having good times with your parents. Okay students, so let's start. So students, in this video I will explain you the exercise part as we have already done the chapter explanation in our last class, chapter 7 Be Safe. Okay, so our today's topic is book 4 chapter 7 and the name of the chapter is Be Safe. Be safe. So this is our today's topic. So after explanation of the chapter, you have any doubts? You have any confusion? I hope no confusion is there. So now we will do the exercise part. Before that, let's recall some more few points. Always follow the safety rules at home, on the road, while traveling and in the playground. Okay? I am repeating again. Always follow the safety rules at home, on the road, while traveling and in the playground. Do not play or run on the road. Do not play and run on the road. Do not play with electric wires and plugs. Do not play with electric wires and electric plugs. Do not play with sharp items or fire. Am I clear? Do not play with sharp items or fire. If you get hurt, call adults for help. If you do get hurt, call adults for help. Okay? So, that means you have to follow some safety rules while at school, inside the house, during journey. So you should always follow some safety rules. Okay, now come to the exercise part. Fill in the blanks. We should wait for the vehicle to stop or move. The answer is we should wait for the vehicle to stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Number 2, we should cross the road at the any point or zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. The answer is zebra crossing. We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. So number 2 answer is zebra crossing. Number 3, we should always climb the slides from the front or back side. The answer is from the back side. B-A-C-K, back side. S-I-D-E, side. Number 4, we should or should not play on the road. The answer is we should not play on the road. Okay, we should not. The answer is should not play on the road. Last and number 5, we should never touch hot or cold items. What is the answer? We should never touch hot items, right? So answer is hot items. Number 1 is stop. 2, zebra crossing. 3, backside. 4, should not. And 5, hot. These are the answers of fill in the blanks. Now come to the next point, point B. Write yes or no. That means if the sentence is correct, then you have to write yes, and if the sentence is not correct, then you have to write no. Number 1, we should always follow safety rules. Is it true? Yes, this is true. We should always follow safety rules. So number 1 is answer is yes. Number 2, we should run on the road. Is it true? We should run on the road? No. This is not correct. So the answer is no. Number 3, we should not use a broken swing. We should not use a broken swing. Is it true or not true? The sentence is correct. So we have to write yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Number 4, we should not play with fire. We should not play with fire. The sentence is correct or not correct? The sentence is correct. So we have to write number 4. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Next and last, number 5. We should wear a helmet while riding a bike or a cycle. Yes, this statement is absolutely true, because we should always wear a helmet while we are riding a cycle or a bike. So number 5 answer is yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Okay, so these are the answers of the true false. Now turn the page. Safety rules for children are different from those for adults. Okay, this is a true statement. Safety rules for children are different from those for adults. Find out 2 such safety rules that are meant for children only. One is written as an example. Okay, number 1 is written means do not cross the road alone. Yes, this is very true. So another 2 points will be point D1. Always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. This is one point, and another point is do not play with sharp items. Do not play with sharp items. Okay, so these 2 points you have to write. First one is always walk on the footpath. Do not play with sharp items. Okay. Now come to the next part. Answer the following questions. Okay, so after this video I will take a picture and will send it to you. So in this video I will just explain the question answers with you. Okay, listen to me. Answer the following questions. Name the stripped area. Listen to me carefully. Name the stripped area on the road used by people on foot to cross to the other side. Okay, what is called that stripped area? That stripped area is called zebra crossing, right? So that stripped area is called zebra crossing. So your answer will be zebra crossing is used by people on foot to cross to the other side. Okay, this will be your answer. Number 2. Write any 2 safety rules to stay safe at home. Okay, to stay safe at home, what are the few rules you have to maintain? Just write the 2 rules. So number 1 is never play with sharp items. Do not try to climb on high surfaces. Never play with sharp items and do not climb high. Do not try to climb on the high surfaces. Okay, so these 2 points you have to write. Number 3. Last, number 3, page number 9. Is it safe to take out your arms? Is it safe to take out your arms from the vehicle while traveling? From the vehicle while traveling, why? We have already discussed this point, that do not take out your arm or head from inside the vehicle while traveling. Okay, so our answer will be no. Is it safe? No. This is not safe because this can cause accidents. Okay, this may cause accidents and can hurt ourselves badly. Clear? So these are the answers of questions. So you go through all the exercise part, learn the spellings, and I hope after watching this video you will not have any doubts. And if any doubts, any question is there, please let me know. I will explain you again and I will send a photo to you. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.